Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. The new Streamlight ProTac HP-Xs have now been released. This one is the ProTac HP-X flashlight. The part number is 89021. This comes with two CR123 batteries in a nylon holster. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe and watch to the end for a discount code. So to install the batteries, you're going to simply unscrew the tail switch. You're going to place the CR123 batteries positive side down first. And keep in mind, this is now dual fuel, so you can get the SL-B26 USB-C rechargeable battery and use it in your light as well. And as you continue to rotate the tail switch, make sure when it starts to feel firm, don't stop there. Keep going until you cannot turn anymore, as most people don't like to strip things out. This has been designed so it comes to a complete stop, and now the batteries are installed. To operate the light out of the box, if you half press the switch, this is for momentary, and that's on 800 lumens with 105,000 candela. And once I remove my thumb, the light turns off. If I press all the way through until it clicks, that's going to be permanent on, as I don't have to keep my thumb now on that switch. If I half press twice and hold, that's going to bring on that strobe that you already saw, 1, 2. And once I release, it turns off, or click all the way through for permanent. And if I do that process one more time, but 3 times, that's going to be the low setting. So 1, 2, 3, release, 1, 2, 3, but click through. Now it's on permanent. To program the light for other settings, such as high only, we're going to use Streamlight's TEN-TAP feature. You're going to press 10 times quickly. On the 10th time, hold. The light turns to high, turns off, and then it's programmed. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turns off. Now it's programmed for high. So I can half press. I can click all the way through, but that's the only setting I'm going to get. We're going to do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It turns to low. So now I have the low setting. Click twice for medium. Click 3 times for high. And all the same processes work. Click all the way through for permanent or halfway for momentary. Now, if I want to go back to the factory settings, I'm going to do the same process again. The strobe's going to come on and turn off, and then it's programmed back to factory. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Strobe comes on, turns off, and now it's back to the original settings. For the most current pricing, please see the link to our website. But if you use code YT10, that will get you 10% off with free shipping. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be alerted to other new products like this. And please like and share this with your friends and family, because that helps us out a lot as well. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.